Back to my channel. So today we are going to backtest the Nifty. Let's see for 12th. Okay, so Nifty open was 2550. So it was a kind of first half trending and second half non-trending day. So this was our open ATM. So let's discuss the basics first. So we are sellers, that could be call sellers, that could be put sellers. If positions are added in the call means they act as resistance, price will go down. If positions are added in the put side of the writing means they act as support and price will go up. If both are equally added, then it will be inside the range like this, where resistance and support becomes equally strong. Okay, now we would start our price action. So open was here and close was here, almost similar. That's why we could see here it's open ATM. OTM is positive because of the condition. The second half was sideways. While we have a very strong support, as you could see, market was going up. So it was the max positive decay in the ITM of the put side, while the ITM of the call side has the max minus decay. Okay, now we will go and check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also had a similar condition, but the Bank Nifty, the delta value is different. So this is day 12 of Bank Nifty. You could see that open is here, close is here. Okay, so if you check the open is 54,800. So you could see 54,800 open. When you check OTM on put side, it is positive, but on the call side we have a mixed view, positive as well as negative on the call side. Since the support was very strong and price action is moving up, a maximum positive decay in the ITM side, and in the ITM of call side we have a maximum negative decay. So you could see second half it was completely sideways. Now let's do a small calculation for one strike. We'll take this strike. So we are taking 53,800 PE writing. Okay, so the decay is 40 times one lot size for BNF is 30. So that is 1200 plus tax and brokerage. So by the time I'm recording this, there are some changes in the lot size, so I will let you know if there is any change. Okay, now we will go and check the premium. So for that I would like to bring both the strikes in the similar pattern. Let's take 1 hour time frame so that it becomes more closer. So as you could see, pretty much clear here. Now Nifty open was 2550. So 2550, let's change the both strike to same range to find out the difference. As you could see, at one point the buyers were winning at 11:35, and when you check the end, it was the buyers win day. Okay, because 2 days it was completely sideways, so it's obvious that the SL hunting will happen on this day. Now we will take 200. So here sellers were winning because this acts as the OTM. I'll go to ITM strike. I'll take 800. So here completely buyers were winning. Now we'll check for Bank Nifty. Before that, I'll just refresh it. So when you take Bank Nifty open was 54,800. So I'm taking 54,800 in both the sides. As you could see, sellers were winning from the very start for Bank Nifty. So 3 days in a row Bank Nifty is showing decay, which is favorable to sellers. Let's take 55,200, which is a very far away strike. At first buyers were winning with a small region, but at end, since the last hour candle after 12 it was sideways, it was a buyer's win. Now let's take one strike, which is ITM 54,200 maybe, and then you could see here buyers try to win by a very small margin. Okay, now let me close this, and we'll take the close range OI in the Nifty Trader website. We'll try to do small analysis on that. Okay, so I just don't know what has happened here. Some changes has happened, so let me take trading tick here, straddle. So yeah, I have to take the OI here. Okay, so we'll be back. So let's try to find out for Nifty first, and then you could see 75 is the lot size and expected support and resistance, max pain. Then when you check the OTM, 9.5 to 13.2, so clearly support was winning here. So by the first week of September itself, you could notice that in the monthly PE and CE OI build up, it was already very clear that the both of them were equal. Okay, unlike the other times where the call writers were more, so which just gives us a hint, small hint, that prices can go up in the future. Okay, now we have Bank Nifty. So though it's showing for, there's a small glitch. So here you could clearly see 102 and 132. So clearly this is more. So support is there, prices can go up. So if prices are going to go up, then HDFC will break 1000 or 970, and ICICI should go above 1400. Then only this condition only BNF will go up. Okay, now we would just check the OI. So here is the Nifty, where you could see put writers were slowly increasing at 2500. So this is our very strong support, and then next support is 100. Okay, so now we'll move on and check for BNF as well. Similar pattern for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty you can check. So here you could see with every 500 step count, OI is equally built as straddle.